viewers, welcome to Simple Accounting channel. This is Uttam sir. Today, one of the important chapter from business study I am going to discuss. Stakeholders in a business. Who are the stakeholders? A stakeholder means some people or group of people or organization or institutions, those who are directly or indirectly affected by the business decision. They are supposed to be said as stakeholders. The main stakeholders of the business is the promoters or the shareholders. They are taking the risk to set up a business, investing the money. And whenever they are going to set up the business, they must have some of the objectives. What they are expecting from the business. Basically, in short term objective is that to have the better dividends. What is dividends? Dividends means some of the money which to be given to the shareholders as a return of their investment. That is the dividends. So first objective is that to have some dividends. And the long term objectives is to increase the farm, expanding the farm, and the reputation, image they are interested to be set up, which actually help them to increase their wealth in future. So this is the long term objectives. Most of the organization is guided by the long term objectives. So the business must have some responsibility and duty towards the stakeholders. So here the business responsibility is to make better profit and do some business decision so that the business can be expanded. This is the expected by the shareholders. Maybe the second stakeholders of the business, that is the customers. Who are the customer? Customer are the people, those who are buying goods from the manufacturer. They are the customer. What is the customer's expectation? Basically, the customer expectation is that the product which is produced by the manufacturer is to be enjoyable to them. It cannot make harm to them. It must be satisfy their want. So this is the basic expectation of the customers. That is to be provided by the organization. And the customer's responsibility is that when they are buying the product, they have some commitment to pay the manufacturer right time. So this is the customer's responsibility to pay the manufacturer at the right time. And the stakeholders of the business are the suppliers. Who are the supplier? Supplier are the people or organization, those who are providing the raw materials to the business. From that raw materials, the manufacturer is producing the product. So it is the suppliers who are responsible to provide the raw material to the manufacturer at the right time without having any delay. And it is the responsibility of the organization is to provide or is to pay them at the right time. Then the fourth stakeholders of the business, maybe the community. Who are the community? Community means some of the people or some environment, those who are directly or indirectly benefited from the business decision. Maybe some of the business is established in a certain area. So naturally the people, those who are living over there, expecting some of the job from these organizations. So this is their expectation. So local community always expect this organization providing the job opportunity to them. Another thing is that the managers and the employees of the organization, they are the another stakeholders. Those are the manager, they are taking the decision for the business and operating the business themselves. In the same time, those are the employee or the workers, they are supposed to be said as a blood of the organization, working hard, producing the product. So they also the stakeholders. What is their objectives? The manager expecting the better salary and fringe benefit. Worker's objective is to their job security, getting their salary for right time, job promotions. So some of the these. So this is to be provided by the organization at the right time. Then they will happy enough. Now another stakeholders of the business, they are the government. Government is normally providing the different type of facilities to the businessman or the manufacturer. Maybe government is providing some of the rules and regulations so that the business is to be operated properly. Again, sometimes the businessman or the industry is facing some of the problem. Then time the government come forward to help them. So this is the service provided by the government. In the same time, government is expecting some of the taxes which is normally earned by the business, and it is to be paid right time to the government, so that that money can be used for development of the country. So this is the company's responsibility towards the government. And finally, some of the environment or the next generation. Environment is the burning issues of the time. More or less every year 51 billion tons of carbon dioxide is emitting from the different factories. So this destroying the environment, polluting the environment. The people's living comfortably is at a stake. So that cannot be tolerated by the people. So here the responsibility for the organizations towards the environment, that is, we have to make the environment green, clean environment, so that people for which the company is producing the product can live comfortably. But now it is the burning issues. Maybe whatever the business organization is establishing, that business organization is polluting the environment. Sometimes for the next generation, they are getting problem. So this is the protecting the environment. So this is the organization, those who are responsible for pollution, they have to control their activities or take some of the decision so that the environment can be green enough. So that's all for today. Dear viewers, if you have another interest to learn, please write to the comment box. My next video on motivations, one of the important chapter from the business studies. You are requested to watch them. If this video is enjoyable to you, please make a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.